black people on the edge of poverty, they're called poor, while white people in the same low-income situation are called working class. And getting rid of those stereotypes, you argue, would help people of all colors and races. How would you say that that would actually happen?
Well, first of all, what we hope to do in this book, and I hope to do, is to take to America the way we measure poverty in the government's official poverty measure is a lie. It's a distortion. It does not count all of the poor. I want to see America deal with all of her poor. We're talking about 135 million people. We're talking about 41% of our adults and over 50% of our children. And the fact of the matter is there are 26 million poor and low-wage black people. That's 60-some% of black population. But there's 30% of white, poor, and low-wealth people, and that's over 66 million. When you frame it as being poor, people are black, other folk are working, what you're doing is dismissing millions of poor and low-wage white people, and it has been down through history a form of mythology designed to keep black and white people from working together, who really are allies and unified when it comes to the experience of poverty in this country.